Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student. Now today we will listen a beautiful poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo, "Good gracious, how you have over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hope like you," said the duck to the kangaroo. Said the kangaroo to the duck, "This requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck, and there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatism," said the kangaroo. Said the duck, "As I sat on the rocks, I have thought over that completely, and I bought 4 pairs of worsted socks, which fit my web feet neatly," said the kangaroo. "I am ready all in the moonlight pale, but to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady and quite at the end of my tail." So away they went with a hop and a bound, and they hopped the whole world 3 times round, and who so happy, oh, oh, as the duck and the kangaroo.